I am here with Yana, who is the CEO of GUDU, an extraordinary line that I've been looking forward to seeing. Lasha couldn't be here today due to visa issues, but we're so glad Yana is here. Yana, welcome.
Thank you for this event, for hospitality. Thank you for your support. We are so excited to be here. So thank you.
I understand, of course, I'm so glad to talk to you. I understand Lasha's aesthetic is very centered around female empowerment, taking formerly masculine designs and giving them that extra little flair to make a woman feel strong and confident. Can you tell us a little bit more about what we're going to see, how that's infused in the new collection?
For the new collection, we become to our entry collections. This is strong design, this is more details with the jacket, with a long dress, with more masculine style.
Can you tell me a little bit about how the war in Ukraine has informed some of new elements within this collection?
As Lasha says, it's a global change. It's something for back to your roots, to your honestly, to be honestly with yourself. So this collection about honestly with yourself. Yeah.
Is the collection produced in Ukraine? And
Yeah.
it is. Have you found any challenges with raw materials due to the war?
We have challenges every day with furniture, with materials. So it's not so easy now in wartime, but we need to process our job because we have employers, we have our team, and we would like to go with the collection and work in Kyiv now. So yeah, but with the fabric is a challenge, yeah.
I imagine, but yet you're still doing an extraordinary job finding extraordinary textiles. I love this jacket over here with the pleated detail that feels a bit like a dress, but it's also a jacket. What is next for GUDU?
The next floor, we would like to show GUDU clothes all over the world. So we will start with New York, with US, and would like that this work see more people in the world.
Wonderful. Well, I think you're definitely going to accomplish that with this show. Thank you, Yana.
Thank you. Thank you.